What's up, Goodnature family? In this video, we're going to be looking at how to clean the Goodnature M-1. Now, there's two different types of cleaning we'll be discussing. The first is just swapping between recipes, and the second is actually doing a deep cleaning. If you're just swapping between recipes, the first thing you want to do is lift up the grinder. And now, if you have an extra ready grind kit, this is the easiest way to do it. You twist one off, twist the other one on. And then you also need to swap out the bag. So you pull out the bag of pressed pulp, and this can be composted or discarded. Put it in a clean bag. Now, if you only have one ready grind kit, that's no problem. All you need to do is simply rinse water through the ready grind kit at your sink. Now, if you're going to be doing a deep cleaning either at the end of the day or every couple hours in a busy juice bar setting, first thing you want to do is remove the ready grind kit. Remove the press bag, and you can discard this or compost it. Remove the drip tray. Remove the press kit. Now, the great thing about the M1 is that all of these parts are dishwasher safe. So they can just be taken to your dishwasher or to your sink and cleaned however you normally wash your dishes. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed our video. And if you haven't seen the other videos, please check them out.